Hey guys, I got a 2005 Mazda 3 hatchback, and I'm having this problem right here where the spring is actually disconnected. Let me pull it out and I'll show you what I mean. So this is what I'm talking about. The spring, which is sitting right here, is supposed to sit up. This bottom part where my thumb is supposed to sit up here in this little groove right here, and it broke, as you can tell. So I'm actually going to show you how to fix this so you don't have to worry about buying a new one or a replacement like I had to. This is the replacement, and it was actually broke from the junkyard and I didn't even know. So let me go grab my other one, which is behind me. And all I did was find the absolute smallest drill bit that I can find and just drilled a hole straight through at an angle, and that's actually a staple. I bent it in half, and the setup is like this. So the spring sits on the inside here. Here's a better picture. The spring sits on this lip right here, and then it goes around and it's supposed to sit on that top half. Well, trust me, yours is going to break, so your best bet is to make a quick fix, and instead of having to buy a brand new one and have it painted and all that fun stuff, just give this a try. Let's reinstall it and see how it works now. Alright, before I put the stupid panel back on, you know, there's hardly any play. Spring works good. Door works fine. There you go. If that helps anybody, you're welcome.